Hello, Sean here from Coyne Enterprises. Today we're going to be taking a look at a recent website we helped to modify, clevelandweddinginvitations.com. The owner runs a custom wedding invitation shop, and she wanted to make some modifications to her website. She provided us with a Photoshop layout of the way she wanted it to look, and we simply went off that to give her website a little bit more of an elegant theme, as well as some of the shop and shopping cart features she requested. So you can see on the home page, her header is actually a clickable link, as are the Twitter, Facebook, and Pinterest options. And these little logos are customizable for her, so she can change the way they look through the WordPress backend. She requested a certain color scheme. You can see the colors of the overlay is the same as the color of her envelope. And she wanted the slider to show some featured images, so all she has to do to update the slider is create a new blog post, select the featured category, and it will be entered into the rotation. And you can see it pauses as you hover over it, so that if you'd like to click to go to the invitations, it'll let you do that. Down here, some of her most recent projects, and this again is easily customizable by her. All she has to do is create a new post and tag it as a portfolio item, and it'll show up in this list. As well as a little bit of information about her. This just is exactly what she has on her About page, and whatever she changes on the About page will reflect in this widget. As with the blog posts, any new posts that she creates will show up in this list. For the footer, she pretty much had this stuff set up, but we just helped her fine-tune it a little bit to reduce the extra white space. So her most recent blog articles, 2 of the featured products from her store, which I'll show you in a second, some of her recent tweets, and her recent posts on Pinterest. So the shopping cart is one of the biggest features we created for her. We used a free plugin called WooCommerce, and it allows PayPal as well as cash, check, bank transfers, or other forms of payment, but she opted for PayPal payments. You can see here she can list her products, and again, this is easily customizable through the WordPress backend. The customer can either add it to cart directly, or you can click on the actual product to customize. So if we wanted, let's say, 100, and the 0 key on my keyboard doesn't seem to be working, so let's say 99. So we have 99, and you can see it momentarily. It'll show up in the tab along with the total price. It has successfully been added to our cart. So let's go view the cart. And you can see I already had 2 of these invitations in there earlier, so brings the total quantity up to 101, shows your total price. You can proceed to checkout, and all of this happens without the owner having to interfere at all. All she'll get is an invoice through PayPal with the information on what the billing address and shipping address is, as well as the items ordered. So we're not going to check out because I don't really want to order these at the moment, but they are definitely some beautiful invitations that she makes. You see here on the sidebar she has some very high reviews from Wedding Wire, as well as some of her recent pins, and a couple of her random products from her store.